Hi everyone, this is Miss Farwa. Welcome to my channel, and today I am sharing another simple and interesting program on Scratch that will help you to change the backdrops according to the choice of the user. Yes, let's see what is the program about. I'm going to show you the output first. Let's make the screen bigger, and then I'm going to run the program using this green flag button. Where you want to go? It's a question asked by the sprite. City or farm? And here is a text bar at the bottom. Let me write city here and see what happens. City, press enter. Wow, you can see that the cat came in a city, or there is a city backdrop at the back. Let me run the same program again, and this time I don't want city, I want farm. So let's see what will be the result. Farm, press enter. Look at this. Now the cat or the sprite is in the farm. So I hope this program seems interesting to you. So here are the line of code that you need actually in order to make this program to change your backdrops according to the answer of your user. So let me just quickly delete all of these blocks and let's start from the beginning. I am deleting the cat. First, you have to go and choose a sprite. It's up to you, whatever sprite you want, you can add. I'm just going to add this cat. Now, the next thing is your backdrops. So, I am using a very plain backdrop so that when I will select city or I will select the farm, then it will be easier to see the changes. Now, let's begin the script area here. For this, you have to first go to the event blocks, use the green flag clicked block at the top. This block helps your program to run when you press the green flag. Next, you have to go to the looks, and in the looks I have switch backdrop, not switch costume, switch backdrop. In the beginning of the program I want my backdrop is white. At the back of the screen I want white color. So you can choose a backdrop one that makes the backdrop as white. Let me run and show you. Look at this. It's a white plain backdrop at the back of your stage. So this is the first line here, switch backdrop, that changes your backdrop and makes it white in the beginning of the program. Next, you have to go to the sensing blocks and use this ask block so that you can ask a question. Right now, I'm asking which place you want to go. You want to go, and I'm giving two options. City, let's make small letters, city or farm. So these are the two options for the user. When the user enters city, the city backdrop will be changed. When the user says farm, then the farm backdrop must appear at the back of your stage. Now, for this, you have to use the go to control and use if then else block over here, since we have two choices. So one we will be putting here and the other one we will put down. If then else, when you have two options to select from. Now here in this shape, I'm going to add my condition. For that, you have to go to operators and use this equal condition. Once you put it here, then you have to change the value for this. It needs to be city for the first option. And here must come the answer of the user. For this, you have to go to sensing and then use the answer block, which means that this condition is going to check the answer of the user that the user enters in the text bar. If the answer equals to city, then you have to switch, go to the looks and use this command, switch backdrop to not blue sky. Remember that if the answer equals city, then you need to show the colorful city backdrop, which means that the city must appear at the back of the stage. Now, the next thing is else. What is the second option you have to put here? And for this, you need to check the condition. I am going in control and I'm using the plain if then command to check the condition first. So if then and then inside the same operator equal 1 where you are going to check your answer, but this time the answer needs to be farm. And go to sensing, put this answer block inside so that it will see that whether the answer is equal to farm. So once it will check it, then what will happen? The backdrop, go to looks and use this one again. Switch backdrop to, this time it needs to be farm. So I hope that this simple line of code is clear to you. In the beginning, the backdrop is pure white. Then it will ask a question from the user, which place, you want to go, not who want to go. Make a little changes, which place you want to go, city or farm. Then you have to wait for the answer. Once the answer is written and press enter, then you will check the condition. If the answer is equal to city, switch the backdrop to colorful city. Otherwise, check if the answer is equal to farm, then switch the backdrop to farm. So that's a very simple program that you can make on Scratch in order to ask a question. Let me run the program and see whether it works the way or not. So here we go. I run it and you can see that. Let me make it a big screen. Okay, which place you want to go, city or farm? Let me write city and see the changes. City. Press enter. Yes, the sprite came in a city. Let's go and run it again for the second option, farm, and then press enter. Yes, now the farm appears at the back. So this is how this program is working with these simple line of code. Thank you so much and do not forget to practice the program at home. Stay tuned, stay connected for more fun programs on Scratch. Bye bye. See you in the next video.